Sounds are a very important part of cartooning. Let's play with some Garfield sounds. Sound effects are one of the real tricks of the trade. We call it onomatopoeia, and those are words that sound like sounds, and they really do help embellish the cartoon and explain the action. Now, we're going to do some actions, and I'm going to put some words with it here when we get done. One of my favorites is when Garfield gets hit in the face with a pie, okay? Here's the edge of a pie, and when Garfield gets hit, this pie goes like that. It really splatters, all right? Now, Garfield is back here somewhere. You'll have to trust me. Here are fingers. You know, see how his body goes this way? He's really getting hit hard with this pie here. All right. All right. This pie's coming in like this. All right. There's Garfield getting hit with a pie. And the sound effect we use with this one is splut. In fact, I like splut so well. We've even had splut weeks. Every day gets hit with a different kind of a pie. Now let's use a more subtle kind of a sound effect, okay? Here's one Garfield uses a lot too. So this is what he does right after a meal. Puts his hand over his mouth like this. I'm not going to give this one away. Just had a big meal. I have to tell you, Garfield is not very nice in this respect. But he goes, burp. Just like that. How many times does that happen to us? Okay, here's another fun one. This is one of Garfield's favorite things to do. This is not very nice. I get some mail occasionally about this because he's not very nice. He hates spiders. Here he is. His fists are clenched. He's really leaning forward. And he's got a newspaper like this. And a big action line, okay? And this is splat. Poor spider, look at here. Here are little tiny legs coming out there. The spider never fares very well when Garfield's around him with a newspaper. That's an easy sound effect. Okay, we're going to go to a little tougher sound effect now. This is what Garfield does absolutely best. First, we have to draw this great big mouth. Get it open just as much as we can, like this, okay? And then we're going to draw a whole blur of arms, like this, okay? Can you guess what he's doing yet? Watch this. I'm going to make you guess. There's his ears back here. Here is his food bowl. And he is eating. Now here, rather than making a lot of eating sounds, we use a lot of descriptive terms. And this really helps a lot. We use, let's see, gulp, smack. We can pick up burp, gobble, snarf, and anything you can think of that has anything to do with eating. Eat, that's always fun. And so these words are all real funny, but they help to describe this whole action of Garfield eating. So those are sound effects, and that's called onomatopoeia. Make up some of your own words. What would it sound like if you slipped on a banana? Have fun.